let's solve the problem. How to find a duplicate in an array. So I've already created a sample program and using an example where this will be our array, and in that array we are going to write a program where we will identify that what are the duplicate elements present in this array. If you know the old approaches using Java 7 or below Java 8, where we are be using for loop. Yeah, so you know that if you are writing a for loop and how how many lines of code will be written. So but we will be solving this using Java 8, and mostly you will see how efficient this will be. So we'll start calling arrays. Then what we'll do is we'll open our stream. We know what a stream is, you can check my other videos. We'll open stream pipeline and then we will call our point to our array. Then what we'll do, we will collect, and then we will use collector dot grouping by. Collector dot grouping by. Then we will be using. Tell me what we will be using. We will be using lambda expression for each element present in an array. Then we will be counting. Why we are doing counting? So that we will be knowing, right, that we will have a duplicate element in an array. Okay. So now to print this, what we are going to do is we are going to write this out, and we are just simply just copy paste. All developer know this. Okay. Now we are going to run this and see what will be our result. Okay. So this is cool. This is something nice, that we open a stream, we call our array, we collect it, we group by each element, and then we count it. So we have I hope you understand what we have done here is that you can see that this, consider this as the code. This code is present twice. Okay, and this usually comes, you're working in any industry. Okay, no matter what, you sometimes there will be a logic, you need to write a util which follows this logic, and if you have written code in Java 8, they will be super impressed. So now we can change this also. We can also add one more, like for example we can do like this, and we will see that whether it is working or not. Oh yeah, it is working. Wow, it's not only duplicate, it's also that it is 3 times. Okay, but they can tweak you. But there's a question, there's a catch here, right? We need to print this, not the like this. This is, you could say, as a map, key value, key and its value. So now think an idea, like you need to use for loop and then put it into a map, and then all those you need to do it. Even though we need to use map because it is key value thing, we need to use it, but in a smarter way. Okay, let's do it. So we will again use arrays dot stream, open our stream pipeline, then call our duplicate array. Then we will do collect. It will be same as the above. We'll collect it. Collector dot grouping by, and then we will be opening our lambda expression. Okay. If you don't know what lambda expression is, you can check my other videos. Collectors dot counting. Yeah, I think that's correct. Yeah, yes, go. Am I missing anything? Okay, let's see. So now we will open entry set. So now if you see, as I said earlier, we will be using map, but we will be using set also, because set help us to identify. Set is a collection which don't have duplicates. Okay, so just for information, we'll use empty set. Then we'll open our stream again. You write in the comment what this entry set will do. Based on, we will do filter. Now we will use again. Tell me what we are going to use. Why we need to filter? If we need to filter it, there has to, filter is like a where clause. Okay, filter is like we're filtering. We are doing a where clause, or you could say when we write if condition, right? If A is greater than B, like that. Okay. So now again lambda expression. Now w dot what? Because e dot get value. So now get value greater than 1 because we need to find the duplicate, which is duplicate. After that, we'll open our map. If you have worked with React and other front-end framework, right, this map is very useful when we are creating a list of objects. Here, maybe later I will upload my React video, so you will be seeing that how this map is quite efficient. And this map is same map. What this map is doing here, the same map will do the same thing in our React course. Map dot entry. Then we will be using something. We have learned that method reference. You can watch my other videos that how to use a method reference. We will get the value, means we can also get the value, we can also get the key. Now we will be using for each to loop it. Then we will try to again all these concepts I've used in my other videos explaining them. If you want detailed videos, you can write in the comment section. Now we'll run and see what will be the output. Oh, something is wrong, right? Because we need to print what is duplicate, not how many times it is duplicate, or 3 times or 4 times. So what am I missing? Oh yeah, you see, I know what I'm missing. You can tell me, because as I told you earlier, right, that these values, okay, this value, whenever these type of questions come in, right, even sometimes interviewer also okay, I'll tell you in this way that sometimes what interviewer do, right, they will, or anyone who is challenging you, they will open your notepad and they will ask you, hey, can you, oh sorry, okay, just a minute. Okay, so what usually interview do, right, interviewer, what they do, they do like this, okay, they give you the array and they will ask you that, okay, can you help me convert this into this. This is also quite complicated task because I have used stream API, so it's easier for you to understand that, oh, it's quite easy. But if you need to do or achieve this thing via for loop, right, create a map, create a set and all those things, then it will be a little complicated. Means not complicated, I would say, but even though you are also doing the same thing in here, but you're using the advanced features. That's the difference between, if you have seen my other videos, you will find out what is the difference between a software engineer and a good software engineer. This is an efficient code, okay, and very few line of we have written a lot of complicated things in here. Okay, moving forward, what we need to do, if you can write in the comment section, we need to, instead of printing the value, we need to print the key. What is my key? As I said earlier, this is my key, and this is because if you open, right, it is KW, key and value, means it can be the other way around also, right? Other way around means 2 and this like this. So then when I'm printing value, right, it will print this way, okay, but for now it is in this manner. So we will be changing it, and then now we will run it and see. Let's see the magic. Wow, so you have solved this problem, and you have solved this problem using Java 8. That's the best part. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you want more video like this, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.